Hey guys, it's Molly from the Line Dancing Queens. Today we're going to do a tutorial for Casanova Cowboy. It is 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, and no restarts. So let's start. This will be our 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock wall. So to begin, we're going to step forward on your right foot. You're going to step forward right, step forward left. Then you're going to step back onto your right, recover your weight onto your left, and step back on your right again. So it's a little bit of a step, step, shuffle, back. From here, we're going to do a half turn over your left shoulder. So your left foot ends up facing the 6 o'clock wall. Then we're going to turn halfway again. So we end up facing back to the 12 o'clock, and your right foot should be behind you. From here, we're going to do a coaster step to the left. So step back left, together, forwards. So with the counts for this section, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do some hip bumps to the right. So stepping out diagonally to the right, you're going to bump your hip up to the right, back to the left, and then out to the right again. Same things to the left. You're going to bump your hip left, back into the right, and then back out to the left again. From here, we're going to do a rock recover. So rock onto your right foot, recover onto your left. Then we're going to do a 3/4 turn, shuffle steps. So we end up facing the 9 o'clock wall. And it's going to be a right, left, right step. So you're going to start turning to the 6 o'clock with your right foot. Start turning a little bit and lock your left. And then step forward with your right again. So you are now looking at the 9 o'clock wall. Let's do that section with the counts. After the coaster step, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's put those two together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to be stepping out to the left. So you're going to rock onto your left, recover back onto your right. You're going to cross your left foot in front, then step your right foot out to the side, and then put your left heel on the ground. From here, you're going to step your left foot down, cross your right foot in front, and sweep your left. From here, you're going to step down on your left, back onto your right, and then back out onto your left. So for those counts, after we do the rock, recover, shuffle, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's put it all together from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now the last section, section 4, we're going to step forward with our right foot, point your left out to the side, same thing on the other side, step forward with your left, point your right toe out to the side. Then we're going to do a sailor step. So step behind with your right, you're going to step out with your left, and then step back out with your right. And then finally, we're going to do a sailor turn, but sailor half turn. So we end up facing the 3 o'clock wall, so we can start the dance over. So you're going to step behind with your left, start turning your right, and then step your left foot in front. But let's do that last section with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Then from here, we would do the whole dance again by stepping forward 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's put that all together from the top with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Walk, walk, shuffle back, half turn, coaster step. Hip bumps right, hip bumps left, rock, recover, shuffle right, rock, recover, step and heel and step, sweep, step back, back, step, point, sailor step, sailor half. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. See you next time. Let us know what other tutorials you want us to do.